Hi, my name is Yusuf, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be showing you around this Polo R-Line finished in Urano Grey with a panoramic sunroof and the optional Bonneville alloy wheels. This car looks absolutely fantastic. The wheels and sunroof really do set it off. Let's say just a bit more road presence than the standard car. Inside we've got the all R-Line upholstery. So you'll see R embossed seats, 5-speed manual gearbox with parking sensors, air conditioning, touchscreen digital radio, multifunctional flat bottom leather steering wheel with the speed limiter behind. Mileage is just 6 miles. It is a brand new and unregistered car, and as you'll see, the sunroof being open does let plenty of light in, makes the car that little bit more airy. At the back we've got tinted rear windows, the Polo badges on the back with the chrome tail pipes designed into the bumpers. This car is available for immediate delivery, and it's also available to purchase through PCP or hire purchase finance options. So for more details, or to book a viewing, or to get a valuation on your current car, please pick the phone up, ask for myself, Yusuf, here in the sales team, and hopefully we can get this car on your drive. Thanks for watching.